I'm on location at Sunset Beach, North Carolina. Look at this marsh, and that creek right there runs right down to the intra-coastal waterway. Jack and I are in a really cool little golf cart. You know, when you were a kid, you had, and by the way, that one runs right out to the Atlantic Ocean. Oh yeah, Sunset Beach, right next to Ocean Isle Beach. We have a few lots that are available for sale. Right on the canal, right? These lots are available, and you're in the 350 plus range to be on the water, and you can build a house like this, and you can be all in with the lot and a nice house like that for $750 to $850 and up. Lots here for sale. You see the boats over there? These are dockable, right? They're dockable. Dockable lots, meaning you can have a dock just like that and have your boat up, put it in the canal, and go where you want to go. And the houses are very cool. Notice, you remember from the movie, the Richard Gere movie, that was that Diane Lane, where they were in the Outer Banks? Was it Rodantha that they were in? Well, there's something very special about it. For instance, here's a good picture of it, guys. You know, you got a house, you got a lower level, you know, you've got parking, you've got stilts, shed type stuff, and then going up, you've got your first level and then your second level. And here your forward view is over here to the marsh, which we opened with, and your back view is right there on that canal where your boat is, right? Something special about it. So if you want to buy a lot, there are just a few lots left right now. There are a few houses under construction, but if you are in the market, you could buy a lot now before they're all done. This is called Ocean Club. But dude, they are building houses right here. There's one right now under construction. So I can connect you with my local realtor partner, and we'll connect you with the right builder, and we'll connect you with the right lot, and we'll get you a sweet deal. There's a lot for sale. But look at that over there. Is that you or is that you? I'm serious. If that's you, you need to give me a call. Got the kayaks out there by the boathouse. And look at the colors, guys. These are beach colors. And you park there. They got a little pool, right? Swimming pool. So 704-345-3400, and I'll connect you with my realtor partner down here in Sunset Beach. And man, are we having a good time. Patty and I down for a few days, and we've got a friend that's got a house similar to this right down the road, but these are on the water, people. So how special is that, to be on the water and to be able to put your boat down? I know, it's beautiful, right? So again, you're going to spend about $350 or more for a lot, and then you're going to probably be all in. You can be all in for in the $750, $850, $9-ish range. You can spend a little more if you wanted to, but again, houses like this under construction right now that needs an exterior paint, that's what it's going to get very soon. So guys, I'll just tell you, Sunset Beach is one of the great beaches. This lot here is for sale. One of the great beaches, this lot here is for sale in the North Carolina, and really we're right across the border from South Carolina. But is that gorgeous or what? I mean, good looking manicured lawn, you know, palm trees, right? Deck, spiral staircases. You can have it. And if you want to move to the greater Charlotte area, let's get you a 55 plus ranch there. Let's get you a beach house as well. And we're just 3 hours from my house in South Charlotte. And man, I'll tell you what, you want to live the life, you've made all that money, you've saved all that money. Rich people invest in real estate. See that canal down there? Isn't that cool? So these canals are connected. Sure, we'd love to help you. Get on the website, subscribe to the YouTube channel. RogerHolloway.com is my channel. But better yet, call, tell me your story, and we'll see if we can get you down here in Ocean Club, which is Sunset Beach, North Carolina.